Just a quick video here just to show you how I do a final sanding after I do the taping. So here there was some really bad cracks in these corners. So I removed the old tape, put new tape in. Now I'm just doing a final sanding. So for this I like to use these little blocks. So they come with a grittier side. I'd say this is like a 80 grit sandpaper. Then on the back side it's about a 120. So for my final sanding there's very little compound that needs to come off. I like these though because I can get into the corner nice and easy, and because it's not a ton of drywalling, this will work efficiently to make sure that I get it all sanded quickly. So it's just along the ceiling and down this corner. So, and I like to be like close and hands-on as opposed to just using a block on a pole, because then I can see any imperfections that I might miss. But when I put on my last coat of compound, it's very, very thin. So it's not very much sanding. It's just to get off any of the points that you might see through the primer and paint. You just want it to be as smooth as possible. That's the main key. Now, for this, I would suggest you want to make sure you wear a mask, because you don't want to be breathing in the dust. So make sure that you mask up. And then at the end, just have a damp cloth. So this is just to get any of the loose dust off before you prime.